Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make egusi soup without red oil. Yes, I said without red oil. I prepared this soup without oil. There is no red oil inside this soup. We all want to eat healthy now, and this tastes delicious. You won't believe it until you try it. So let's get to the ingredients. Here I have some egusi powder. I have some red bell pepper and one hot pepper. I have some salt, smoked catfish. You can use any fish of your choice. I have some Maggi there. You can use any one of your choice. I'm using vegetable there. So I have crayfish as well. And spinach. This is not only spinach actually. This is spinach and one other vegetable mixed together. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using, and wait, I'm going to be using onion as well. Okay, you can't cook egusi soup without onion. So I have some onion here. I have one big onion, already cleaned the onion, and I'm also going to be using some meat. I have goat meat and cow meat in there and pomo in there. So I season and I season them with salt, pepper, and Maggi and onion. So the first thing you're going to do, go ahead and blend that red bell pepper clean and blend them with a little bit of water and onion. Add the onion inside as well. So blend all the ingredients together: onion, pepper, and the red bell pepper. So after blending them, I'm going to move over to the meat. I'm going to remove the meat from the pot because they are almost cooked and I don't want them to be very soft. So this is why I'm taking them all out of the pot first. So this is the bell pepper that I blended. As you can see, I pour them into the meat stock, and here I'm stirring them all together. So after stirring them, I'm going to allow them to boil. Like I'm going to bring them to boil. So while that is cooking, I'm going to move over to the egusi. So for the egusi, I added some water into a bowl, and I'm adding the egusi into the water. So I'm just going to allow that egusi to stay there until the red bell pepper sauce is boiling. That is when I'm going to be adding egusi into the pot. So here I'm seasoning the sauce with, you can season it with Maggi cube, any Maggi stock of your choice. So I'm adding this one, and I'm also going to be adding some salt. Make sure you don't add too much salt, okay? So after adding them, I'm going to stir them and cover them halfway to continue cooking. So while they are cooking, I'm going to move over with the fish. I'm going to clean the fish and the crayfish as well. So I'm just going to clean them while I wait for the sauce to boil. Yes, you can also blend your crayfish, but this time I'm not blending the crayfish. So here the sauce is boiling, and I'm adding the egusi into the sauce now. So go ahead and add the egusi. That is all you're going to be doing here. Okay. So after adding the egusi, go ahead and stir them. Yes, you can actually allow them to boil for 5 minutes before you can stir them up, if you want them to have that egusi ball. Yes. So now I'm going to cover them and allow them to cook for 10 minutes. Just like that for 10 minutes over medium heat, not on a very high heat, okay? So after 10 minutes, you can see the colors are changing. So I'm going to add the crayfish into them now. Like I said before, you can use blended crayfish. I choose not to use blended crayfish, okay? So after adding the crayfish, I'm going to stir the soup, and after stirring the soup, I'm going to allow them to continue cooking because I don't want them to be watering. So that water needs to dry up a little, not all dried. So I let them to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Then I'm adding the meat back into the soup at this stage, as you can see. So after adding the meat, just stir them all up together and taste if the salt is enough. If it's not enough, go ahead and add more salt. So I allow them to cook again for another 10 minutes because that water needs to dry, okay? And I added the dry fish. Here you can start adding anything you want to add, like any fish, meat, anything you want to add, just go ahead and add them into the soup and allow them to continue cooking. I needed to add obiri. Igbo people call it obiri, dawadawa, but I ran out of it and I'm not in Nigeria, so I have to cook it without it. But if I'm in Nigeria, I'm going to be adding obiri inside the soup. So here, as you can see, the water is almost dried, like the soup is almost cooked. This is why I'm adding the vegetable. And that is another 10 minutes. The water is almost dry, and because I don't like the egusi to be very dry, so I added the vegetable. I did not stir it. Cover it and allow the heat to pull the vegetable down. So here I'm back after a few minutes and I'm stirring this whole soup. Look at that. I did not add red oil into it. And don't worry about the taste of this soup. This soup tastes amazing. Amazing. It's good to use red bell pepper to cook your soup if you cannot get a quality red oil. Yes. So it's better to stay healthy than to eat something that will cause problem on your system. So if you don't know how to cook with red bell pepper, here you have it. Here you learn how. It's very easy and the taste is so amazing. So I'm going to stir them all up and just allow them to stay for another 1 minute, and I will take them out of the heat, and that is all. Can you imagine? This soup is so delicious. I hope you give it a try, and let me know what you think about it. Thank you all for watching. Share this video, subscribe and like. I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.